My name is Joaquin Rosario. I'm from New York. Business partner Louis from Tampa. We're currently in the Tampa Bay market. We heard about Wholesaling Inc. on Bigger Pockets, so it was one of the episodes with Tom Krol. He shared a ton of information, and we knew that we just had to find out more.
We got started with the course January 15. We bought into it, but we really didn't get going until February. And yeah, since then we've been taking imperfect action. We are averaging around 10,000 per deal. Every deal has been 10,000 out of 7, and then one we made 30,000 on. My life has changed in a way where you don't have the stress of having to work for anyone else. Your day-to-day is up to you. So it just helps me grow, helps my character grow, helps me understand that you need to invest in yourself and just strive for greatness every day.
Being able to talk to a seller that's going through some pain, being able to go in there, help that seller get that pain removed, and then help an end buyer also make some profits on their strategy. It's key for us. It's a win-win all over. And I've worked corporate America for a while. Never seen a $30,000 check in one deal. So it was just mind-blowing, and it really shifted my mindset. I mean, our experience working with the team it's been amazing. It's a game changer. We wouldn't expect to be here without the support they provide us day in and day out.
Yeah, it's just a matter of they give you the blueprint, the guideline, and it's up to you to take action. It's all about taking action, so it's been crucial and key to our success so far.
We see a lot of things out on the internet, and we always wonder, is it true? Are people selling their homes for 60, 40 cents on the dollar? And it is true. It's all about what problem and what value you're providing in the marketplace. For us, a big shocker also was seeing these guys in person. So like seeing our mentors in person in this event, it's like, this is real. Like they're constantly doing the business and then helping other and giving out. So if you doubt yourself, if those feelings are coming in, like just join and you'll figure out it's the real deal.
If you're thinking about joining the tribe, you have to do it yesterday, not today. And as soon as you do it, just take action. You can't sit on the sidelines. You can't wait for a deal. You have to go out and find it.